In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the profile picture on WordPress. Changing your profile picture can be a great way to personalize your account and make it feel more uniquely yours. Let's get started by navigating to the WordPress Dashboard. This is the central hub where you can control and customize all aspects of your WordPress website. You'll find the dashboard by logging into your WordPress account, and it usually opens up right after you log in. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Users section on the left side of your screen. It might be listed under Settings or directly on the main menu, depending on the version of WordPress you're using. Click on Users and a drop-down will appear. Select Your Profile or something similar to that, as it directs you to your user profile settings. Here, you'll see all the options to edit your personal information on WordPress. Look for a section labeled Profile Picture. Keep in mind, WordPress uses Gravatar for profile pictures, which means your picture is linked to your registered email address rather than just the WordPress site itself. If you haven't linked your account to Gravatar yet, that's okay. I'll walk you through it. To connect or change your Gravatar, click on the link provided in the Profile Picture section, which will redirect you to the Gravatar website. Once there, you'll want to log in using the same email address and password associated with your WordPress account. If this is the first time you are using Gravatar, you might need to create an account using that email. It's a one-time setup, and it's free. Once you're logged into Gravatar, you'll find an option to add a new image. Click on it to upload the picture you want to use as your profile image. You'll have the opportunity to choose from different image sources. You can upload a file directly from your computer or connect to a URL. Uploading directly is often the simplest choice for most users. After you've uploaded the image, you'll be asked to crop it. This cropping tool helps you ensure your picture looks just right as a thumbnail. Take your time to center your face or any key features in the square frame. Once you're happy with how it looks, confirm and save the cropped image. The final step is to confirm your image rating because Gravatar allows different ratings for profiles. Choose G-rated since it's suitable for all audiences, especially if your blog is family-friendly. After you've saved these changes, head back to your WordPress profile page, refresh it, and you should see your new profile picture in place. Remember, it might take a few minutes for the change to fully update on all parts of your WordPress account. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your WordPress profile picture.